Happiness is letting go of what you think your life should look like. So, hello friends. Today's topic for our discussion is never compromise your happiness. So, this is a very important topic because nowadays we see that people are more busy in arranging for physical comfort and fame than they are eager to enjoy their life and bring happiness. So, to understand this topic, uh, take a situation that you love playing cricket, but unfortunately, your parents ask you that, oh son, you should become an engineer or a doctor or etc. So, for their sake, for their happiness, you tried and you became an engineer and you are a successful engineer, successful doctor, or so and so. But even after you have earned so much money or you are earning the money, it's not guaranteed that you will be happy or you may be happy. So why? Because happiness never comes from the money or the amount of money or fame you get. It comes from within. So in each day, always try to steal moments which make you happy because each day is a new day and start your new journey. Now, we know that people are more busy in searching for money, physical comforts, happiness, physical comforts and fame, but we don't know why is it so. We know that we are not busy in searching happiness, still we don't know where we go wrong. So for this, there is a very small story. A person asked another person that, hey, excuse me, can you tell me how sugarcane looks like? So the other person replied that sugarcane is very stiff, it's very hard, and it will when it will grow to a certain length, it looks like same like a bamboo tree, bamboo plant, and it's very hard. It's green in color. So the other person thanked him and went forward. While he was moving in a farm, he saw a tree which matched the same description the other man gave him. He entered the farm, he started chewing the tree, but unfortunately, that tree was not of sugarcane but it was of bamboo tree. So, the same case is with us that we are searching happiness, the right thing. Happiness is the right thing. Everyone wants happiness, but we are searching happiness at the wrong place. So, no, happiness can never be found in physical comforts or money or fame or riches. It is the property of the soul for the happiness. So, always try to steal the moments from the day which make you happy. Never lament for things that you don't have, or don't hanker for things that you see in this world. When you step out in this world, you see too much things, too many things. So don't hanker for those things. Be at peace at what you have, at what God gave you. Now the point is that happiness is the property of the soul. One property of soul is that soul is Sat Chit Anand. Sat means it is eternal, Chit means it is full of knowledge, and Anand means it is full of bliss. So that means has the property to be happy. But unfortunately, we are busy satisfying this body that we forget that we are soul and we never nourish the soul. Now, the next point is we discussed that we never focus on happiness. We always hanker for different things. We always waste our time in lamenting for the things we have lost. So, now the point is what to do that we are happy, we become happy. So, Lord Shri Krishna clears it in chapter 2, verse number 40, verse number 70 in Bhagavad Gita. He says, just like the ocean remains undisturbed when lot of rivers flow into it. Similarly, a man who is not disturbed by the flow of desires near him, he will remain at peace. But the person who is always busy in satisfying his needs, his desires, so he will always be unhappy. So the point is always be at peace at what you have. Never hanker for things you don't have. Okay, so that's the point. Now, one common mistake that people do is that they associate success with happiness. Success cannot guarantee you happiness. For example, I earlier discussed that you love playing cricket, but for your parents' sake, you became an engineer or doctor or IS officer, so and so. But you got success, you got fame, your name is everywhere now. You have money also, but that doesn't make you happy. Why? Because happiness is not guaranteed if you become successful. The other case may be possible that if you are happy, success may come, but if you are successful person, it never guarantees that you are always happy. For example, recently we have seen the case of Sushant Singh Rajput. He committed suicide. Now I'm not going into the you know deeping of the matter that what led him to do these steps, but he had fame, he had name, everybody knew him, he had money, but still he took this step. So it shows that happiness can never come from money or the physical needs, because why is the reason? Because this body is temporary, and so are the name, riches, and money, but the soul is permanent, it is eternal. So when you satisfy your soul, you automatically become happy. So always try to nurture your soul, do what you love to do, be happy, steal the happy moments from each day. you know the people who have a habit of complaining for each and every task, they can never become happy. So always enjoy your day, always enjoy your life, and be happy. So I hope you like this video. For any comments, for suggestions, please, I'm ready. Thank you.